not against the school but against what the government has tried to impart and force the parents to by sending children to school.
कलंगूट वाठारांतल्या 2 फामाद स्कुलांनी क्लासीस मास बॉयकॉट 7 एप्रिल सावन सुरू केल्ल्या शाळांच्या निर्णयाक पीटीएचो विरोध. आमचो स्कुलाक कसलोच विरोध ना, मात सरकाराच्या निर्णयाचो आमी निषेध करता अशें पालक म्हणटात. भुरग्यांक कसल्या गरमेन शाळेंनी धाडल्यार तांकां वॉशरुमान वचपाक भायर वतान वचचें पडटा. हें सारकें न्ही म्हूण आमी एकवटान हाका विरोध केला आनी हो विरोध असोच उरतलो म्हूण पालक उलयतात. आज ह्या मास बॉयकॉटाचो 3रो दीस आसून सगळ्या पालकांनी शेनवारा मिटींग घेवन हो निर्णय घेतला. कोणेच कोणाचेर जबरदस्ती करूं ना अशें तांचें म्हणणें.
A unanimous decision where the majority of parents, we had a meeting on Saturday and we expressed and we explained it as to what are the problems and the concerns that as parents we will be facing from our children basically. So keeping that in mind, let me put one point: nobody was forced. It was a unanimous decision that all the parents who attended the meeting at the school on Saturday, they all decided to have a mass boycott, wherein we then took the signatures of those parents who volunteered not to send the children to school on the 7th of April, and our concerns were written in a form of a letter which has already been submitted to the headmistress, who accepted that. And looking at that and looking at how the children have been today, the the school attendance as of today has been approximately, I would say, around 58 or so, to a strength of say 700 students. So that's our take on it. So basically, all the parents who have come for the meeting, they didn't send the children to school, and we are hoping that the other parents will also understand that this is a cause we are fighting for, not against the school but against what the government has tried to impart and force the parents to by sending the children to school. So we've already put our concerns to the headmistress through definitely the water issue, electricity, major thing which have been mentioned time and again, and it has been accepted. And attendance was minimal today at school. Not minimal, I would say. Imagine 700 approximately and 58 students. Do the maths.
So we had no other choice than going ahead and boycotting totally. We see the children, they are totally suffering from heat. We don't have the infrastructure. If you see, even our toilets are outside the premises, wherein the children have to go all around about in that heat. And there are a few students the portions were already been given, a few standards. There were no activities. There were properly school subjects to be taught. And we have seen the physical education subjects were kept after recess. So that was not also a good thing. And it's major the heat, the repair. See, this is a time schools go under repair and maintenance, which is very important. And because of this, it disrupts the critical activities which the school management have to take to, have, like maintenance, including classroom boards, benches, tables, electrical fixtures. So this is getting disrupted because of that. We found that the government decision to start the whole academic session was made without consulting the key stakeholders, and the major were the parents were not even informed or nothing. And we see the migrant children. We have a lot of migrant children also in the school. They have already booked their tickets, and they have to go ahead with their respective villages for their summer vacation, which many of them went ahead. And we see, because of all this, since the summer break is already started, it will affect the learning experience for those still attending, So we thought about just going ahead. We got together as PTA members. We spoke about it as a meeting together, and then we took a call of calling the parents, and then we decided overall to boycott right from the 6th standard to the 10th standard, and we would be standing firm with our protest.